Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and you'll get this item in no time. See what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart. Check it out now, and they'll ship this fast to you. So we're about to find out what's inside. Akoada. Fast charging. Sync. Connect everything. There we go. So Akoada. This is USB-C to USB-C for the new Ultra Plus and other phones. And I think this is a 10-foot version. So check it out. Like I said, it's crazy that they switched. I didn't even know that they were switching to, because I got the Galaxy 10 Plus and we used the normal one before. I think that was like 2.1 or whatever that was, the USB. But this is a 2.1, I believe. Got these ends. Kind of like the iPhone, so you can use it for iPhones, MacBooks, all that good stuff. iPad. Nice 10-foot extension wire. You should get some good coverage, kind of like a home phone back in the day. Got cords, but really cool. Definitely under 20 bucks, I do believe. So you might want to get a couple for extra. Or uploading videos, stuff like that. But yeah, this is definitely the new versions of the USBs that are out now. So I'm pretty sure every phone's going to be doing this since Galaxy 20 it just upgraded their USB. So this is 100 watts, really fast charging, great charging. I got the other pair, other color. I did the video on, so these are the brand new ones. And this gotta go like this. And like I said, it's pretty long. It wraps around, kind of like that. So there you go, guys. Definitely check them out. I do believe it's Akoada, fast charging and sync, connect everything. So check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good day, and hopefully see you guys back soon with everything else going on in the world. So I might take a few days off and just wait until something comes in. All right, be safe. Have a good one.